Today is 1/28/2015. Cruise CRS, training him from scratch.
CRS, baby.
CRS, baby. Alright, so identify the parts.
Condenser fan motor, right here. On top of the unit. The compressor.
Right, let me get up in there.
Okay, so this is your condenser fan motor. Compressors inside. On this side right here. The high pressure, low pressure coming out of it.
Okay.
Contactors. Side of the unit.
Where's the contactor?
Contactors.
Okay.
Relays. Right here's the relay. These are relays too. Just the main relay. Electric strip heating would be inside the unit. Stack sequencers. That's inside too, right?
That's correct.
A run capacitor. The run capacitor is always silver. Start capacitor is always black. Transformer would be inside.
In the where?
In the air handler.
That's correct.
An air handler.
Where's your low side?
Down here?
Yep.
Low side, high side.
Why is that?
Low pressure. Low pressure runs out through here.
That's a suction.
Suction, yes.
And then, because it's a thicker pipe, so in case you forget. Okay.
And then high pressure.
High pressure, which is also called what?
Discharge.
Okay.
It's a small valve for the high pressure.
Where's the liquid line filter dryer?
Filter.
There you go. Liquid line on the smallest one. Where's the contactor?
Contactor. Right here. On this.
Okay, that's a contactor.
Yep.
What's above it?
The start capacitor.
What's on the right of it?
Relay.
And what's that board looking thing?
That's the defrost termination or
Defrost board.
defrost board. There you go.
Okay. What is that silver looking thing right there?
Run capacitor.
Run capacitor.
There
you have it. And what's this right here?
That is the termination.
Disconnect.
Fuse disconnect. There it is.
All right. Well, now is this a heat pump?
Yes. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Why?
Because it utilizes a reversing valve.
Where's the reversing valve? And what does it look like?
The reversing valve is right there. That has all the little black wires going to it.
What's those black wires going to it?
It's going to the...
What is it called? Above it.
The wires?
Yes. It's on every reversing valve. And it switches it from cooling to heating.
Reverse valve coil?
Yes, reversing valve coil.
And
a reversing valve, you know, has those three pipes coming down or coming on top, and then it has one single one.
Okay.
See it?
All the reversing valves over here? Alright.
Now what else does this thing has? Low pressure switch.
It has a low pressure switch.
And
high pressure switch.
What does a low pressure switch do?
It shuts off the system when there's low pressure.
Yes, the compressor.
Shuts the
low pressure, or if there's a leak or somebody didn't charge it properly.
Okay.
What does the high pressure do?
It shuts it off when there's high pressure.
What happens? What causes high pressure?
High pressure when the fan stops.
Yes, when the fan stops.
When the fan stops, the pressure
and
rises.
Also dirty coils.
Dirty coils.
Dirty coils will cause a unit to have high pressure.
Okay.
So before you think it's a condenser fan motor, check the coils and see if it doesn't shut off anymore.
These are all the coil wires?
No, that's the reversing valve coil wire.
Oh, they're coming through here. Oh, they go into the condenser?
Yeah, and also this has a defrost, which they call a
This orange one?
yeah, the orange one, which is a defrost stat.
Okay.
Defrost termination switch or defrost initiation switch.
Okay.
Okay, and now you see how they bypassed your high pressure switch? Oh, they bypassed it. That should have one. Remember I told you? Look, they
Yeah.
bypassed it. Don't do that.
Okay.
You don't bypass stuff on any of these units.
Okay.
You are not an engineer, you're a technician. And there's times you will become an engineer, but on units that somebody already messed it up.
Right.
Alright, now where do you check your pressures at?
Down here?
Yep, that is correct. Alright, now you know your system components. Basic. Peace out. Bye.